Hey, what's up, Siacoin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? The Siacoin condition is something very good now. You can see it from last 3 days, 3.26% the price is increased, but my friend, in last 24 hours the price is dumps down. So therefore, I will notify you to if they were fails down for a short time. This does not mean to your starting selling. A lot of holders personally message me to what we will need to do. The prices goes down, so I think we will need to starting selling. But no, I just only, my friends, clearly tell you to if you are starting selling today, then absolutely you will be safe from the loss. But remember, you will also miss the chance of a profit. So please, you will invest for a profit. So therefore, if you never get a profit, absolutely you are waste. So therefore, my friend, as you can see here, this time in last 3 days the condition is good, but in last 24 hours they were fails down. So first of all, remember this is temporary fail. As you can see here, this is temporary fail. After that, they will again moving upward. So therefore, I will notify you, my viewers, my subscribers, to don't take this risk. Please don't starting selling. Hold it for a long time. I think just and only you will need to wait for the end of this month. I hope Siacoin will give you a 100% good profit. Definitely, my friends, they will give you a double to triple profit. So if you miss this chance, remember to my friends, you will never get a profit and you are very badly fenced down. But some holders, my friends, also tell me to in upcoming time can already the prices pumps up or not. Yes, my brother, 100% there is a chance to the prices pumps up, because when a short time investor are stop selling and starting holding, then the price will increasing. So therefore, I hope my friends too, the price will be increasing. Alright, so thanks for watching, Siacoin holders. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.